There seem to be lots of ways to thin grapes, depending on the variety of grape that you've got, where you are, and what you want to use it for. Some of the grape growers who want wine will thin from very early on, thinning out the entire bunch so that only a few good grapes develop. These are a variety called Phoenix. We are in York, in the north of England. And so what we really need is just good eating grapes. So what I'm going to do is take this bunch, which is, as you can see, a little bit congested with a lot of grapes, and I'm going to thin it out. The idea is that the goodness that's coming into the bunch will then be concentrated in less grapes, and they should have a better flavour. I'm starting by removing some of the grapes on the inside of the bunch, where they're not getting much light and they won't develop. That way, the ones that are left will be getting lots of light and they won't be trying to compete with these others. I'm going to carry on with this until I've got a nice evenly spaced bunch with grapes that I know will develop, and they should taste fantastic. So I've removed about a third of the grapes from this bunch. The key here is to have a pair of very long pointed secateurs or snips so that you can get into the middle of the bunch and really thin it out. This lot now, they may need thinning again as they grow. We'll keep an eye on that. They should develop nicely.
We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.